Do raw salads suits every dosha, Vata dosha, Pitta dosha or Kapha dosha? Or raw salads makes a lot of difference on Vata dosha, Pitta dosha and Kapha dosha. And how to eat raw salads according to our Prakriti, what Ayurveda has to say about it. This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurvedic medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today's question is about how we should eat raw salads according to our body type. First, let's try to understand when we call raw food, that is mostly raw salads or some fruits, but mostly salads, that is uncooked vegetables or lettuce and all these leafy vegetables which are served as salads with various kind of dressings. Before jumping to the body type, let's understand what are the properties of raw salads. According to Ayurveda, raw salads are considered as very ruksha guna, means dry in nature. Not only dry in nature, they are very cooling in potency, like their post-digestive effect is cold. They are light by weight, but they are heavy to digest. Heavy to digest means when the digestive power is not good enough, and if you are eating salads, it creates trouble in digestion. So, these qualities which this raw food or raw salad has, it impacts your dosha and agni, that is digestive fire, separately. If you go with the Ayurveda textbooks, it recommends, there is no concept of raw salads, it recommends that cooked food and cooked vegetables are more suitable for the body as compared to these raw salads. But still there are principles in Ayurveda which recommends how to eat food, and these principles we can apply even in today's lifestyle and today's food choices. Like in today's food choices, everybody is using salads, any hotel, any place, wherever you go, you will get salads. You will be served salads, and salads is good to eat before eating anything cooked or any kind of food. So, what should we do? Because modern science says like roughage is good for the stomach, but now Ayurveda is saying like salads are difficult to digest. So, what should we do? You should choose salads according to your body type, because it is not like all the salads are bad for you. Some salads you can easily digest as compared to the some salads for you it's difficult to digest, but if you know your body type, you can choose the salads accordingly. If you are Vata body type, or if your Prakriti is more of a Vata, we all know like Vata dosh get aggravated with dry, cold or rough food, because the properties of Vata is like its quality is light. So, all these dryness, everything is Vata aggravating. According to Ayurveda principles, these raw veggies or raw salads are Vata aggravating, cold, its post digestive effect is cold, and it is dry, rough in nature. Now, if somebody is Vata body type and his digestive fire, if it is not balanced and if he is eating raw salads, now what will happen? It will cause bloating, bad digestion, stomach discomfort and a lot of dryness in the system. So, what should we do? Vata people should not eat salads at all, though roughage is good for the stomach. You can eat salads, but you can use some seasoning over it. What kind of seasoning? Like some spices like pepper or asafoetida or cumin or little bit of ginger or a little bit of lemon over it. All these spices will enhance the digestive fire, so that you will be able to digest these raw salads. But still there is a indication, there is a precaution that you should eat these raw vegetable salads like cabbage salad, carrot salad, all these stuff to minimum quantity, not excess of them, because it will cause bloating, even cucumber. Now comes if you have Pitta body type. We all know Pitta dosh got pacified with cooling potency, cold food not by temperature, but the food that is cooling in potency. That means its post digestive effect is cold, heavy food, sweet food and little bit of bitter substances. So, Pitta dosh get pacified with this. That means for Pitta person these things are beneficial. So, all these raw salads are very beneficial for Pitta body type person, especially cucumber, lettuce, coriander, all these things are very cooling in potency and very beneficial for the Pitta body type. Raw salads are very beneficial for Pitta body type people, especially when there is excess of digestive fire in your system, or if the weather is very hot and you have walked in hot weather for some reasons, and once you come back you feel very hot, then these, and your Pitta is aggravated, then these raw foods, raw salads are very beneficial for you. If you feel like you have excess of Pitta dosha and you want to eat salads, you can also add little bit of mint leaves, coriander leaves, or little bit of fennel seeds as a seasoning over your salads. It will give cooling impact to your system. So you can eat these salads, and if you feel a lot of heat in your system, you can use fennel seeds as a cooling agent, or mint leaves as a cooling agent. It will help you to balance the Pitta dosha. Now comes if you have Kapha body type. So Kapha body type people, we all know the weight of Kapha body type people. There is a problem of gaining weight in Kapha body type people, and if Kapha body type people will eat a lot of oil, heavy food or cold food, it will cause the weight gain. So what does it mean? Kapha people should not eat salads? No, Kapha people can eat salads, but if the salad is little bit astringent, it is more beneficial for them. If it is spicy little bit, that is also very beneficial for Kapha body type people. So whenever you are eating salads, you can add little bit of spices to it. It will help you to lose weight, and at the same time it will not disturb your stomach or no gas in the stomach. So you can use all kind of spices like coriander, cumin, fenugreek, pepper, salt. All these spices are very beneficial, and little bit of lemon to balance your digestive fire, and at the same time it will also not let you gain weight. So that's why for Kapha people, whenever they want to eat salads, you add little bit of spices to it. So if you ask me what is the conclusion, like how much we should eat, how we should eat it, wherever you go and little bit salads are served. If you are Vata body type, try to eat less. If you are Pitta body type, you can eat as much salads as you want, and if you Kapha body type, still you choose what spices are there and use them with spices. For Kapha body type people, avoid all those salads which includes a lot of oil dressings. Vata people can eat a little bit with oil dressings, but Kapha body type people should totally avoid the salad if it has oil dressing, because it will cause more problem as compared to losing weight. If you are taking salads for losing weight and using these dressings, oil dressings, then you should avoid it, but astringent dressings you can use, like vinegar dressings. These are good for you, but not excess of it, limited. Also, if you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer questions in the best possible way. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the subscription button and hit the bell icon so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. If you want to have Ayurveda consultation online, please write to me on this given email ID, and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.